Hey everyone, it's Brett Hornby here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel here, and I did decide to catch the 2020 Calgary Stampede fireworks here, social distancing style, for Sunday, July the 12th, 2020 here. This would have been the last night of the greatest outdoor show on earth, Calgary Stampede, but this time I'm in a different location, as I decided I think I'd get a better view as I'm at the soccer pitch here in Renfrew, just behind near 16th Avenue and Russet Road here. So it's going to be more traffic here, but it should be just under a minute away from the fireworks starting, and here we go. Let's enjoy the fireworks show right now. Stampede Park is definitely more straight across from here compared to where I was at SAIT last week. So let's just enjoy the show. Definitely can hear it better here, and of course you see the Calgary Tower in the distance there. I'll just pull on the zoom there to get a better look. Let's move my way down here. Still, I seem to get the highest ones, but at least get more of it here at this vantage point. Guess I heard that one. There we go. Better view, but more traffic noise because I wanted to be close to the bus stop to get on the way home. And of course, there's more popular spots, but they're probably more crowded, and gotta keep practicing social distancing during COVID-19. But still get a nice show here. There's my favorite color, a nice burst there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you can see the CS is Calgary Stampede. I can make out some symbols there. Some Western symbols, so that's a nice touch. I think I saw 2020 there too. I know this has been a rough year, but still a nice touch to see that. There we go. I think the last couple of minutes you definitely would have had nice views if you were at the Scotsman Hill there, where you oversee the grandstand there. Definitely compared to last week's show where I captured it, definitely got a lot more of the higher fireworks there, including seeing the CS and 2020. So there's little sparklers down there. I think I see 108. Oh, 100. I say this is we're approaching in the grand finale here. I think those numbers should have been 108. This is Stampede 108 there. think this time for real, we're approaching the grand finale here. We're at 17.5 minute mark of the video here, so yes. Sounds like we're almost done here. So yeah, definitely from this view here, despite the traffic noise, definitely had a better view of the fireworks here as I'm more east, and Stampede Park is right directly a few kilometers south from this view here as I moved more east from SAIT where I live here. But yeah, that's it for Calgary Stampede 2020 here. I mean, definitely missed out on it because of the global pandemic or COVID-19, but definitely nice that they at least salvaged a couple fireworks shows and the food trucks here. So hopefully next year we'll get back at it for real with the rodeo, the midway, the chucks and all that here. But thanks for watching the show here, and of course if you enjoy everything I do on my YouTube channel, just make sure you like, subscribe. I mostly do Calgary sports as a Calgary sports fan here, but as a long-time Calgary myself, I definitely enjoy the Calgary Stampede, and I definitely need something to celebrate right now during this tough time as we're all going through here. But let's give a yahoo! That's it for the 2020 Calgary Stampede. Hopefully this was a better fireworks show and I captured on my smartphone here, but as I say, there'll be more content here coming soon, and I'll see you in the next video. And I think I'll do a recap of the 2020 Calgary Stampede once I get back to my apartment here. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you then.